Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making chickpea salad. Y'all, this chickpea salad is really something special. I wanted this to be a little bit more than your basic mashed chickpea salad. I feel like that kind of standard dish has been done before and done really well. So I wanted to kind of take that and build upon it and make it into its kind of own special thing. I wanted to base this on a chicken salad that I used to eat growing up. My mom would always make chicken salad with sliced grapes in it, and I thought that would translate really well to a chickpea salad situation. I also added some toasted sunflower seeds for crunch. You're welcome to leave out either of those ingredients if you want to, but I really encourage you to give it a try. The grapes are not overpowering at all. It's just kind of a hint of sweetness, and it's really lovely against like that earthiness of the chickpeas, and I think you're really gonna love it. Start with a drained can of chickpeas, or you can use 1.5 cups of cooked chickpeas if you don't do canned, and then just use a fork to mash them up. You can also do this in a food processor, but I wanted this recipe to be something that anyone could do no matter what equipment they have in their kitchen. When you're mashing your chickpeas, you're going for kind of a chunky texture. I don't like to leave any whole chickpeas in there, but it's okay if you have some chunks. Don't worry about it at all. You're not going for something smooth like a hummus here. You want a little bit of texture because that's part of the charm of this salad. Next, you'll add 1/3 cup of vegan mayonnaise. You can use any vegan mayo that you like. 1/4 cup of minced celery. If you absolutely hate celery, like certain people in my life do, you can omit it or you can replace it with minced carrot instead. Then add 1/4 cup of minced sweet onion and 1/4 cup of toasted sunflower seeds. Now give everything a good stir. You want to mix it together until everything's nice and even. Once everything's mixed really well, you're going to add 1/3 cup of quartered grapes. I used black grapes. You could use red grapes or green grapes too. Flavor-wise, it's not going to make a big difference. I just liked the color of the black grapes, and they were on sale. Now, grapes are a little bit more delicate, which is why we're adding them towards the end. So don't give them a vigorous stir because you don't want to mash them. You just want to kind of fold them in gently to incorporate them and get them evenly mixed throughout the salad. At this point, you're almost done. Give the salad a taste and see if you need to season it with any salt and black pepper. Give it another stir to incorporate those ingredients, and then you're ready to serve. I love this salad stuffed into a pita pocket like in the video. You can also serve it on whole grain bread. It's also nice scooped over some salad greens. You could serve it with crackers for dipping. Pretty much anywhere that you would use like a chickpea salad or a chicken salad, you can use this recipe instead. I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about how to make this quick and easy chickpea salad. If you have any questions that I didn't address in the video, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!